Content analysis is a research method used to systematically analyze and interpret qualitative data by identifying patterns, themes, or meanings within the content. It involves breaking down data from texts, transcripts, social media posts, or any other form of communication into manageable segments for analysis. The process starts with defining the research question and selecting the content to analyze, which could be documents, interviews, or media content, depending on the study's focus. Once the content is gathered, the next step is coding, where the researcher labels chunks of data according to their relevance to the research question. Codes are typically short phrases or words that represent key ideas or themes in the text. There are two types of coding: deductive coding, where categories are predefined based on a theoretical framework, and inductive coding, where codes emerge from the data itself. After coding, the researcher reviews the codes to find patterns and group similar ones into categories. These categories are then analyzed to uncover broader themes, trends, or relationships within the data. The final step is interpreting the results by drawing conclusions based on the identified themes and linking them to the research question or objectives. For example, suppose a researcher wants to analyze public opinion on climate change using social media comments. The first step would be to gather a sample of relevant comments from platforms like Twitter. Once the data is collected, the researcher may start by reading through the comments and identifying keywords or phrases related to the topic, such as global warming, carbon emissions, or renewable energy. These phrases would be coded to represent the recurring ideas in the comments. In the next phase, the researcher would group these codes into broader categories, such as causes of climate change, solutions, and skepticism. Through this process, they might find that a significant portion of comments focus on renewable energy as a solution, while another group of comments reflects skepticism about the scientific consensus. After categorizing the data, the researcher interprets these findings, drawing insights about how social media users view climate change and what aspects are most discussed. This type of analysis not only provides a clearer understanding of public opinion but also offers a structured way to sift through large amounts of qualitative data, making it easier to derive actionable insights.